Hello again. In this video we're gonna actually try to learn how to use actually a bar chart. For this I'm gonna use the same dataset as the table listen, and as you can see here's like the data that we have. Like we have many purchases and yeah, different products in quantity, and we're gonna go ahead and bring like a bar chart. Here I'm gonna make it just a little bit bigger, and basically what I want to represent is like every product type and the quantity of purchases made, of products made. And to do that, as you can see, when I click on my bar chart, I have like different fields that I need to fill. There's the axis, legend, value, tooltips, etc. You don't always need actually to fill all of them, but like if you want to have like more information embedded like within your visualization, then go ahead, go for it. So yeah, here I'm gonna like get my high-tech purchase. Basically what I want is like a bar chart that like translates in some way this table. So in one axis I want actually my products, so here I'm gonna get product and I would put it actually in my axis, as you can see here, product. And then I want actually to calculate the amount of products purchased. So for that, like I'm gonna get quantity and I will just put it like on value, and here is the result actually that we want. So we have like screen, mouse, PC and the other products. Here is the quantity, as you can see it's 35, just like here, and the router is like 50 elements, just like here. And just like I want to show you another thing. Basically I'm gonna put this a bit smaller, copy paste, you know, every just like for information, the tooltip basically is just like when I put my mouse, my index on an element, this black box where there's like some few information, summarized information, is what we call actually a tooltip. So sometimes like if you want to have like more information on this tooltip, you just have actually to grab like elements, fields from your datasets and put them here. For the legend, sometimes like here it's not like very interesting, but sometimes you are more or less like interested in seeing like a woman to man like comparison. Suppose like you have like a column about like sex, so you can put the sex field in the legend, and then as a result you will have actually two bar charts per axis, per element in the axis. Yeah, let's go back to the bar chart that I copied. Here I'm gonna show you like just like some formattings. So as you can see here, there's like general elements, not very interesting. Here you can like put off the x-axis. As you can see, we can't see anymore like the small the products, the y-axis as well, but it's always more interesting actually to keep them. The data colors, yeah, actually you can change the color. And the data labels, this is like more interesting actually, sometimes like to show it off. So if you put on, as you can see here, there's like the values that become like much more clearer. And then you can actually the title, for instance, you can put off and put it on, change it, bar chart quantity total quantity per product, for instance. The font size, you can change it also, put it align it in the center, make it probably bigger, and also you can change actually the background color. Generally speaking, these are like the formatting properties that I change most of the time. Otherwise, yeah, there are many others that you can play around with, and this at least makes the visualization more presentable in some sense. And yeah, the last element is that you should know that sometimes from one visualization actually you can go to another one. And I'm gonna copy paste this table here. As you can see, it's like already in a more or less aggregated actually format. We have like the product and we have the quantity, that the total quantity that goes with it. So it's actually just like straightforward. We can straightforward actually go up to this like visualization just by changing it here. So here I have a table and I'm gonna click here on the bar chart, and as you can see it's just like the same as the one on the right. It's just like a matter of order here. As you can see, it does respect actually the order in the table, and to change that we can like go to sort by quantity, and here we go. So that's gonna be all for the bar chart video. Thank you so much.